Hello everyone. In the previous class we have started the northern plains. Today we are going to continue with the chapter. So in the previous class we have read about the divisions of the northern plains. The northern plains can be divided into three river basins in India. They are the Sutlej river basin, the Ganga river basin and the Brahmaputra river basin. In the previous class we have read about the Sutlej river basin. Today we will read about Ganga river basin. The Ganga river originates as Bhagirathi from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayan mountains. It flows at a high speed and on its way down it is joined by rivers Mandakini and Alakananda. These three rivers combine to form the Ganga. The Ganga enters the northern plains near Rishikesh. The Yamuna river also starts from the Himalayas. There are many other rivers which flow from the Himalayas. They are the Ghagra, Gomti, Gandak and Kosi. The Yamuna joins Ganga at a place near Allahabad. This place is called Sangam. The Ganga flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. After reaching West Bengal, Ganga splits into several branches. Many of them join the Brahmaputra river after passing through Bangladesh, which is our neighboring country. In West Bengal, the Ganga flows slowly and it splits into two branches, the Hooghly and the Padma. The Hooghly is the main branch of the Ganga in India. It flows through West Bengal and the branch of the Ganga in Bangladesh is known as Padma. Now we move on to Brahmaputra river basin. The Brahmaputra is the longest of the three rivers of North India. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam before entering Bangladesh. It starts in Tibet where it is called Sangpo. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra, before falling into the Bay of Bengal, form the largest delta in the world. It is called Sundarbans. Many cities exist along the banks of these rivers. Some of the important cities are Delhi, Kolkata, Kanpur, Allahabad, Patna, Varanasi along Ganga river. Many goods are produced in the factories which are located in these cities. The harmful waste from these factories are discharged into the rivers. This makes the river water dirty and it becomes unfit for drinking also. So the government has started a project to clean the Ganga river and prevent its further pollution, which is known as Ganga Action Plan. The states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and National Capital Territory of Delhi lies in this region. Parts of Assam also lies in this region. We are stopping here. Next day we will continue with this chapter. Thank you.